guys, we found a bunch of stuff here. You have to see this. Like, look, there's a monkey. There's a monkey right there. That cute little. Okay, so you guys. Try and find something fun. Okay? So there's monkeys all over here. Oh my gosh, Auntie, we just saw 2 monkeys. And a bunch of those.
When we saw the baby and they were swinging right in front of us.
Auntie, remember that? Remember that monkey went off the tree and went like this?
Yeah, that was creepy.
That was a nightmare.
That was like a scary movie.
Yeah, that was like a nightmare.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, we'll see you at the house. Okay, so you guys, we're here and ready to see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait, I'm going to show you outside. Or do you want to see now? You want to see now? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, but
It's
don't
bad.
open the door, okay?
I like this. This is the best bed. There's a messy bed. There's my brother. Say hi, Noah. You what? Guys, look at this. That's disgusting. Okay, so you guys, we have a whole entire jacuzzi. This is not our house. Okay, so you guys, we are going to go on the bus probably right now. So you guys, we'll see you on the bus. And on the bus, my brother's going to be holding the camera, okay? Okay, see you on the bus. Okay, you guys, that would be the end of the video, and come back for part 2, okay? Part 2 is called On the Bus. See it in the comments down below. Bye!